Hi guys, good day and welcome back to my channel. My name is Faith Ungu, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this pick and drop hairstyle on my toddler using multi-expression attachment. I think multi-expression. So this is what the multi-expression is looking like. I'm going to pick one strand and then I will cut it in half. And once I cut the hair in half, I'm going to still further separate the coils into three pieces. Now I'm going to be making her hair using just one piece from these three pieces that I have separated. So yeah, that's just basically it. There's nothing to this hair. Just section the hair and then I braided to the length of her hair, and then I tied the remaining attachment just to keep it in place. Actually, I don't know how, if I should make this hair on my first daughter whose hair is longer than this. I don't know how I'm going to do it. Like, I don't know how I should bend it. I don't know. I was thinking about it this morning that if I should make this on on my first daughter's hair, how will I be able to do it, right? But anyway, when I get to if I should try it, when I get to the bridge, I would know how I'm gonna cross it. But this style is for my second baby whose hair is very short. Okay, and it's very easy and very fast, guys. Very easy. So what you're seeing me doing here is braiding the hair to the length of her hair. Once I get to the length of her hair, I will tie the knot. I will tie a knot to keep the hair in place so that it will not unravel. Okay. And guys, there's something that I want to mention. If this is your first time trying this hairstyle, please don't drag it too tight. I'm sorry. When you're tying it, don't when you're tying when you're tying the knot, don't stretch it too much because the hair will just snap like that. So keep on watching, you're going to see what I mean. I make sure to slow that part down so that you see what I mean. Yeah, it happened to me, so I thought to share. So that being said, this hair is pretty much easy. Just section it the way you want. If you want it bigger or tiny, I just wanted a medium size. So I sectioned the hair, not too big, not too tiny, so that I will quickly finish up and yeah, do something else. Okay. So this is my toddler, and yeah, thank you for watching. I don't even know what else I'm saying, but thank you for watching my video. Thank you for always coming back. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.